Hi guys, I've been changing neofetch, and if you reboot, if you update your system and then do a scal, right, know what is scal, what does it stand for, then you'll see that neofetch has changed. So let's first update our system. A few things to do. So there's a new neofetch, there are new ArcoLinux logos inside ArcoLinux logo, and some updates here, and then of course the ArcoLinux tweak tool update, which should be, I think, number 21. So we'll see. Because this is probably, yeah, the dev version. No, it's not the dev version. So let's pause and check. Voila, to be certain, I've just did another build, it's as simple as that. Doesn't cost you any money for all the ISO builders, right? Just up the number. It doesn't cost a thing, and Pacman is happy. So what did I change? Well, first of all, it's not changed, well, to your system. Well, yes and no, right? Remember, it's written to etc scal, and it's communicated here with you, right? In all these lines, it tells you we're writing stuff not to your system. Yes and no to your etc scal. And in here is what we need to have a clean install. Control H. This is the heart, soul, whatever you want to call it, of your system, because it contains all the aliases and the looks and all that. So what I've changed is neofetch, and these two files are new. Control C. That's enough, right? Control C. And then in here is the old stuff. The old stuff is here. I've thrown away all of these things because we're not going to support images anymore, because images is always a misery, right? Linux has like 20 terminals and none of them really show the image like it should, and it's a trial and error thing. So Control V, we're gonna stick to ASCII, but there is a new ASCII, right? There's a new guy, small. And of course, because of that, well, the tweak tool, right? It makes us easy to edit the neofetch files. And one of the things is that we can just click here and say what we want to see. So let's first have a look at the default. So this is the default look. And then you say, okay, fine, but maybe I'd like to see less information, less, just less, hop, okay. And you apply this, Control T, then the line is not that long anymore, right? A few things are gone. Now I was a little bit annoyed by the fact that I always had to click, 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 whatever, to become a small one. Use a small ASCII. Then the lines stay the same. So the lines were, yeah, a bit too long. So that's why I've made a button now. Reset normal, reset small. So normal refers to this guy and small reverts to this guy. So I say reset small, and that's why we needed the extra file there. We get this. And then some coloring, and everything just magically became a little bit nicer. And even now we can still say, I'm gonna get rid of this or that. It's still up to you. But this is what I personally would like to see when I have a small version. Not this long list, but I'm happy enough with this guy. So that's the change. Reset small is a default selection that you can have immediately, and you decide if you want to have lolcat or not. It's entirely up to you. All right, enjoy.